Hi. So as I was going through my closet yesterday to figure out an outfit, I saw a couple of clothes that I honestly don't understand why it's in my closet. So before I make an impulsive decision to donate them all, I decided to just make a content out of it first and try it out, and maybe it will work, but if it doesn't, then it's gonna be donated. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, I have nothing to put my mic on somewhere. But anyways, so this is so ugly. Oh my god. I look like I'm going to a Sunday school. I look like teachers that are just like trying to be stylish, but they don't want to break the dress code. To be honest with you, I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this. I'm kind of rethinking about my life decisions right now. I look like a Christmas tree. This is so ugly. You know what? I think the scarf is just not it. On to the next one. Oh my god, guys. I really like this one. Oh my god. I kind of really like it. It's so nice. But like, don't mind my hair. It's so ugly. It doesn't match the outfit. I feel like this is like more of an elegant look. This is a little bit shitty. It kind of matches my ponytail though. I look like a kid. So I don't really have a top to pair anything with this. This is the best one I could do. This is so hard when you're short. Please give me a break. I'm 5'2". I'm really short. So it's really hard to show you guys. Okay, so... But I think I'm gonna keep this just because, I don't know, it might become useful eventually. This is something Cinderella would wear if she goes to school in today's generation. Like, honestly though, if you don't see it, please click out of this video. Just kidding. Don't do it. Hi. Okay, so this is how I styled this skirt right here. This is from H&M. I literally look like that cheerleader that I hate in high school. Just kidding. Or maybe like Blossom in the Powerpuff Girls. I really like this. Like, honestly though, I'm actually glad I bought this skirt. This is such a good purchase. This is like $5 only. This pants is super weird, and like the color is super weird. And so, you know what I saw in my closet? A towel that matches the pants. So I think I'm gonna style this towel and make it fit with this pants, and we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out. This is just so weird. Okay, so this is how it turned out, and come on, tell me this does not look good. Also, if you just like cover the strap and just like this, it's gonna look so cute. Okay, I'm not gonna donate this pants because I might make this work. Even though it sounds so stupid that this is a towel, I will make it work. This is like the style when you just literally got out of the shower and you're like, oh, just kidding. Oh my god, my bra. This is so ugly, and honestly I don't even want to try and do another outfit with this because I hate this top. Yeah, I'm not gonna try. This is it. I give up. This is going to the donation pile. Anyways, that's really it. This is the last one. Missing someone.